Tara again, and today we'll be using some more simple shapes to create food. 3 different items on the menu. Let's see what we can make.
All right, so we're starting with a cup of tea. So make a large half circle. Then we're going to start at one end and draw a line horizontally across to meet the other side. So this is the top of our cup. Now we're going to draw the saucer. So almost an oval. So we'll start on one side. And curve around under the cup to meet the other side. Now we'll put a handle, so half circle. Draw another one around there to thicken it up. And now we'll draw another oval within the saucer to show where that kind of dips down a little bit more. And then we'll show that this is tea by drawing a line down, then a little arrow, and connect that with almost a square. There's your cup of tea. All right, how about some French fries? First, we'll start with a line at the bottom going across. So we'll draw the horizontal line, and then on either end, we'll draw lines going straight up and kind of out a little bit so it's wider at the top. Then we'll connect them with a zigzag line from one side to the other. Next, we'll add our fries. So we're just going to draw a few lines, or well, more than a few, going mostly straight up. You can kind of make them a little bit angled, some shorter than the others. We don't want them all to look the same, but maybe similar in how far apart they are. Then we'll draw the tops. So we want this to look like we've got a row of fries in the front, and then we have some back behind it. So you may need to add some extra lines in as we go to fill in, so it looks like there's French fries in the back too. Mostly, we're capping these off. So either draw an angle line or straight across, and in some cases, straight across and down. I didn't choose to add anything else, but you are welcome to put a circle in the middle and add your name or whatever else you like. So the next one we're going to be doing is a milkshake. So we'll draw a long line down, wider at the top, and then go across, and we'll draw another line going up. Again, make it come out so the bottom of the cup is narrower and the top is wider. Draw a line across the top to connect those two. Then a little ways down, we'll draw another line across. This shows us where the actual milkshake is. Okay, now we're putting in the straw. So 2 lines going vertically. And then we'll come up, curve around, and down. And we'll go from the bottom over. So we've got a bendy straw. I'll put a few little bubbles in the milkshake. And add some details to the straw. So we're going to make it striped. So try to keep these lines the same distance apart if you can. And we'll make that one kind of overlapping the cup so you can tell it's inside of the cup. Well, part of the straw is inside of the cup and the other part's sticking out. Okay, there's your milkshake. We did all the food today.